Hi guys, I will be reviewing this wig that I got from Amazon for £25 by the brand Kalyss, and I believe the wig is 8 inches and 150 density, and this is what the wig looks like outside of the bag. And then inside the bag is this card, instructions. It just gives you tips on how to maintain the wig, and at the back of the card really just shows you how to get in contact with them or if you want to share feedback with them. And then this is what the wig looks like from the inside. At the front there are 2 combs, and then there's none at the back, which is really confusing. This is what the wig looks like. It looks kind of crazy right now. Anyways, so it's about time I throw this bonnet off because we're gonna put this wig on. So I am just fluffing out this hair like I usually do with my natural hair. Really, I'm just treating this wig like my natural hair, like what I usually do. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is a lot of like uneven strands. So I'm going to try and cut this because look, what is this here? Like, this needs to go, really. So I'm gonna try and shape this out. Well, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna shape it out, but I'm gonna try and just cut out some of the uneven strands that I can see, and then once I've done that, I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So this is what the wig looks like now. I feel cute. This wig is giving me 70s vibes. Like, wow. Check me out. Let me just give you a side pose. You know what? In fact, let me just give you a full 360. This is what the back of the wig looks like. Looks so natural. I'm really honestly loving this wig. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review I did on this wig. Everything will be linked down in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!